What's up, guys? This is Jonathan with Izaguirre Mold Detailing, paint correction and ceramic coating specialist here in Powder Springs, Georgia. And in today's video, we are doing a one-step paint correction on this Maserati. Now, with the one-step paint correction, we are taking about 85 to 95% of swirl marks and defects out of the paint. The paint correction process is essential in the ceramic coating process. Now, why this is the case is because you want to make sure that you are ceramic coating a surface that has little to no defects before applying a long-term paint protection like a ceramic coating. Now, in this case, we are applying a 3-year ceramic coating to this Maserati. So, just like with any ceramic coating, you want to make sure you're doing the paint correction process. And as you can see here is the before the paint correction, and then here is the after the paint correction process. And as you can see, we are just taking out these defects before applying the ceramic coating here in Powder Springs, Georgia. The paint correction process is a huge step when it comes to the finish of your vehicle's paint. This is what is mainly going to make your vehicle look extremely glossy with a great finish when you're driving down the street and in the sun. Um, so the paint correction process is huge in that. And the ceramic coating process, once the ceramic coating is applied to the paint, it is like a glass-like finish. So that just gives that extra oomph to the paint, right? When it comes to scratches and swirl marks that just happen naturally to your vehicle, most commonly, this is just from improper washing techniques, improper drying techniques, or just going through the car wash, which is always going to scratch and swirl your vehicle's paint. So these are the most common things that bring these defects to the paint. But paint correction is going to be the resolution to these defects. And again, the one-step paint correction takes out 85 to 95% of defects. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding paint correction or ceramic coatings, our contact information is in the description box below. We like to talk to you guys one-on-one and get the paint correction and ceramic coating service that fits you and your vehicle best and at a price point that suits you. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one.